Anyway, you always hear the word tambay. It is often used to describe young people and who seem to be doing nothing, just hanging around or waiting um
What
for
can happen?
what can happen to them.
So if we told you that those called tambay are actually have many skills in their life and they can help in their barangay. Good day, everyone! I am Sarah Luis B. Bendishon.
And I am Prince Charles J. Geronimo.
Today we are with
Bantoas, Monacho.
Alimbuyaw, Selmar, Dalina, and
And
welcome to our successful episode of our podcast. So today we will talk about the From Tambay to Change Maker. So I have a question for everyone.
Who would like to answer the first question?
Me.
Me. So the first question is, how can the youth help the barangay even though they are often just on the corner?
Um, as a tambay, we can participate in clean drives or community projects and we can contribute.
So what is your idea?
um, in my idea is as a tambay is we can attend or help a barangays and we can cooperative cleaning and campaign.
So number 2 question. What do you think are the problem in our barangay that you can think be solved? So
As a tambay, we can help the barangay community to tell people don't throw that trash anywhere.
Yes.
And me also, that trash is
Go ahead.
kaya
the
go.
the trash is put the what you call the trash can.
Yes.
Okay.
Very, very well said.
So what is your answer?
As a tambay, they can help out in the barangay, such as
Such as
cleaning up litter or
or
or or trash around the area.
so
The third question is, what do you think about youth volunteer program? Anyone?
So, just the thing about the youth volunteer program, whatever. Uh, they are great, except they are so poorly executed that those who actually care about the program fails in comparison. Their number fails in comparison to those who don't. Now, I think that can be solved by making it more like rewarding. Yes, I think that can be solved by that because can I say that? Yeah, I think that can be.
we are laughing.
I don't know. I'm laughing.
So number 4 question. This is for everyone. How can youth volunteer program help our barangay? So
Start with Monacho.
What?
how can youth volunteer program help our barangay?
Barangay.
By participating in cleaning projects and help those who help those janitors who are struggling to clean the area, and I
Thank
don't
you.
know.
And how about you?
Backstage.
Miss,
Hey,
saying that
backstage.
her question
Backstage.
to volunteer to clean up our community,
Yes.
and that's
For me, I think uh, can help young people to is easier in cleaning, easier job cleaning. Yeah.
Yes. Uh, you.
Youth volunteer programs could help our barangay stay clean, and could also help young people. I forgot the word again. Huh?
to teach the other young people.
Yes. Teach young people how to
Clean?
Clean.
clean. Yeah, clean.
Okay. So
How about you?
For me, youth youth volunteer program are good because they help young people to learn leadership and teamwork skill.
so
So the next question is what are the obstacles that youth face on being active in the barangay? Anyone to answer? Yes.
So the first obstacle that I so the first obstacle is that young people, many young people doesn't really show any interest about any volunteer programs. So uh, uh, there's only a handful of them who will show up for those programs. And secondly, I think they're not really being taken seriously by others. So yeah.
Thank you.
that's all. And thank you for listening at our podcast.
Meh.
Bye. Uy, ay, lamig.
I don't know. I'm laughing.
Hoy, yung cellphone mo nakalabas.
Hindi, di ba?
Hoy.